Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine stepping into a peaceful evening routine where your skin is not only getting its beauty rest, but is also being pampered with anti-aging magic. If you're looking for a product that works overnight to target wrinkles, fine lines, and promote skin renewal, then you're in for a treat. Tonight we're diving into the Robanda Retinol Nightly Renewal Cream, a multitasking night cream that promises to turn back the clock while you sleep. This age-defying formula features retinol, known for its powerful ability to tackle fine lines, promote collagen production, and accelerate skin renewal. The cream claims to firm and tone your skin while delivering deep hydration, all wrapped up in a soothing lavender vanilla scent that makes it the perfect end to your day. I've been using this for a few weeks now, so let's talk about how it's performed in real-life use. First off, the texture is rich and luxurious, but it's not too heavy. I've used my fair share of retinol products, and one of the common challenges with them is that they can feel too drying or harsh. But the Robanda Retinol Nightly Renewal Cream strikes a nice balance. It feels incredibly moisturizing, but still absorbs well into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. The creamy texture is perfect for a nighttime application, and it's absorbed quickly without any sticky afterfeel, which I really appreciate when I'm going to bed. As for the scent, it's a calming lavender and vanilla mix that isn't overpowering. It's subtle, but just enough to make your nightly routine feel like a mini spa experience. For someone like me who enjoys a bit of fragrance but doesn't want it to interfere with sleep, this is spot on. On to performance. After just a few uses, I noticed that my skin felt more hydrated and plump. It wasn't too intense, but my complexion seemed to have a smoother texture, and my fine lines, particularly around my eyes, seemed to soften. With continuous use, my skin started to look more even-toned. The true test came after a few weeks, and I felt like my skin had that healthy, refreshed glow that we all want in the morning. Of course, retinol does take time to really show its full potential, especially if you're trying to target wrinkles. If you've never used retinol before, this could be a gentle introduction, as it's designed to be effective without feeling overly harsh. But keep in mind that if you're prone to irritation, it's a good idea to start slowly, applying the cream every other night. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: hydration and repair. This cream does an excellent job of delivering moisture to the skin, leaving it soft and replenished by morning. Smooth texture. It's non-greasy but rich enough to make a difference. Scent. The lavender and vanilla scent is calming and makes this cream a soothing part of your nightly ritual. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. Great for those who are conscious about what goes into their products. Cons? Retinol sensitivity. If you're new to retinol, you may need to build up your tolerance. You might experience mild irritation in the beginning, though this can be mitigated by using it every other night. Texture. While it's great for most, the rich texture might not be ideal for those with oily skin types, so it's worth considering if that's a concern for you. As for value for money, at its price point, this night cream is solid. It's effective without being as expensive as some high-end retinol treatments, but it's still a luxury product in terms of how it feels on the skin. Given the hydration, anti-aging benefits, and soothing scent, I would say it's worth the investment, especially if you're someone who values a simpler, all-in-one night cream. In comparison, other retinol night creams can be much pricier, often focusing on higher concentrations of retinol or adding more active ingredients. But Robanda's product offers a gentle yet effective formulation, making it a great option for those who want a more budget-friendly choice without compromising on results. The packaging is simple but sleek, and the pump dispenser ensures you get just the right amount of product each time. No mess, no waste. In terms of longevity, this cream should last you a couple of months with regular use. I've found that a little goes a long way, which is always a win when you're considering both cost and efficiency. So does it live up to its claims? Yes, I'd say it does. The Robanda Retinol Nightly Renewal Cream is a solid, all-in-one night cream that not only targets fine lines, but also helps with hydration and skin renewal. It's best suited for anyone looking to address early signs of aging without jumping into higher concentration products. I'd recommend it to anyone in their late 20s to early 40s who wants to start incorporating retinol into their routine, especially if you prefer a gentler formulation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.